Starting around 13 January 2024, Chilliz in a real sense is exchanging at $0.0862 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.87% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought. CHZ for the most part has an all-out market cap of $766,551,192, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $75,433,906, incredibly. This basically makes Chilliz, CHZ, really positioning at 80 in the digital currency market. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Chilliz cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Chilliz certainly be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Chilliz an especially wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will CHZ cost by and large outperform its untouched high, which generally is genuinely critical? These sort of are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future, or so they basically thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024, as per the Chilliz figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.1204, the normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to really be $0.1172, which generally is very critical. Besides, CHZ can generally arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.1360, or so they most certainly thought. CHZ value figure January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Chilliz especially is determined to truly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.0758, which explicitly is very critical. The Chilliz value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of $0.0852 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0.0829 in United States dollars, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Chilliz sort of is determined to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.0814 in an unobtrusive manner. The Chilliz value worth can basically arrive at a really limit of $0.0894, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.0853 in United States dollars. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Chilliz truly is in every practical sense anticipated to sort of arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.0888, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.0928 and a fundamentally least of $0.0848. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Chilliz cost is figure to by and large arrive at an essentially the least cost of $0.0875, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ cost could really arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0.0972, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.0914, or so they truly thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation May 2024. The cost for Chilliz in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0919 and $0.1009, exhibiting that Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Chilliz cost explicitly is estimate to arrive at a particularly the most minimal cost of $0.0875, as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.0951, which generally is very huge. CHZ value figure June 2024. The Chilliz estimate for June 2024 expects that the CHZ may by and large arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0.1047, with a kind of least cost of around $0.0940. Discussing the genuinely normal value, CHZ can generally stretch around $0.0979 for June, exhibiting how Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation May 2024. The cost for Chilliz in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0919 and $0.1009, showing that Chilliz, CHZ, value forecast April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Chilliz cost in every practical sense is figured to truly arrive at the most minimal cost of $0.0875, which really is very huge. Chilliz, CHZ, value figure July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Chilliz certainly is really anticipated to basically arrive at in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.1018, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.1096 and a genuinely least of $0.0979. Or so they fundamentally thought. Chilliz, CHZ, value estimate August 2024. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost for August 2024 may in a real sense arrive at an especially least worth of $0.1020, while the essentially greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0.1136, which for the most part is very critical. The truly normal cost for CHZ is really anticipated to basically reach $0.1059 in August 2024, exhibiting how this in every practical sense makes Chilliz, CHZ, sort of positioning at 80 in the digital currency market, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz value expectation September 2024. Chilliz cost generally is supposed to reach between $0.1070 to $0.1189 in September 2024. While the really normal cost of CHZ for the September generally remains around $0.1102. Chilliz, CHZ, value forecast October 2024. The cost for Chilliz in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.1095 and $0.1244 in an unobtrusive manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.1135, or so they in every practical sense thought. CHZ value figure November 2024. The Chilliz estimate for November 2024 expects that the CHZ may essentially arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.1301, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.1129, which for the most part is very critical. Discussing the very normal value CHZ can truly stretch around $0.1169 for November, which in a real sense shows that these really are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in a kind of significant manner. Chilliz value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Chilliz could explicitly stretch around $0.1360, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in December 2024 truly is $0.1172, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.1204. Chilliz past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chilliz's cost sort of has shown a very decent increment of 3.52% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. From most recent 7 days the CHZ especially was in very great vertical pattern,